Struggling to split table in PowerPoint? You are not alone. It's very easy to split. PowerPoint doesn't have direct option to split the table. So you will need to select the table using your mouse or a keyboard. Copy the table, go to Microsoft Word. And if the table is very large, just go to the Layout tab. Under the Orientation, select Landscape and then paste the table. Now to split the table, just click inside the cell where you want to split the table. Click on Table Layout and here you will see the option of Split Table. You can click on Split Table and the table will split. Now you can simply copy the tables and paste it inside the PowerPoint presentation like this. If this method doesn't work for you, simply copy paste the table to make two tables. Now simply select the text you don't want, right click, go to the delete and select the option delete rows. So this will delete the row and similarly you can also delete the undesired row from the second table. In this way you can make two tables easily in PowerPoint, splitting one table. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And if you are struggling with the tables in PowerPoint, check out these useful videos shown on screen. See you again in the next one.